Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mardani and I'm from group 4. The first is vocabulary. Angle. An angle is from when to strike lengths or rays meet a common endpoint. The common point of contact is called the vertex of an angle. For example, the angle at 3 p.m. is 90 degrees. Protractor, a tool that can be used to measure and form angles. Length. Length is the dimension of an object that states the distance between the ends. Width. A horizontal length that stretches shorter than the length. Distance. The length along a line segment between 2 points on the line or line segment. We can say distance is how far apart objects. For example, the distance between book A and book B is 6 centimeters. Percent, a number of or comparison ratio to express a fraction of 100 indicated by the symbol percent. Example, there is a glass that contains 300 ml of water, then add another 30 ml of water. What is the total percent increase in water volume? Percentage. In mathematics, a percentage is a number or ratio expressed as a fraction of 100. It is often denoted by the percent sign. Example, 10%, 90%. Height. In mathematics, height is defined as a measure of the distance from the bottom to the top, from a standard level to a certain point. Base. A set of factors which in a linear combination can represent every factor in a vector space. Example, base 2 is a number system consisting of only two symbols, namely 0 and 1. Side. Flat wake, which is the limit of wake-up space. Video learning. Let's say I go to the fruit store today and they have a sale on guavas. Everything is 30% off, and it's only today. So I say, you know what? Let me go buy a bunch of guavas. So I go and I buy 6 guavas, and it ends up when I go to the register. And we're assuming on tax. It's a grocery, and I live in state where they don't tax groceries. So far, the 6 guavas they charge me, I get the 30% off. They charge me $12.60. So this is the 30% off sale price on 6 guavas. I go home and then my wife tells me, you know, Sal, can you go get more guavas tomorrow? I say, sure. So the next day I go and I want to buy 2 more guavas. But now the sale is off. There's no more 30%. That was only the first day that I go with the 6. So how much are those 2 guavas going to cost me? How much are those 2 guavas going to cost at full price? We know that 30% off on guavas only today. Buy 6 guavas is $12.60. This is sale price. 2 guavas out. How much are those 2 guavas going to cost at full price? Answer. Let's say that X, the cost of 6 guavas full price, convert percent to the decimal. So 30% equals 30 per 100 equals 0.30. And then x minus 0.30x, why? Because we are looking for the original price x before the sale. X minus 0.30x equals 12.60. 0.7x equals 12.60. X equals 12.60 per 0.7. X equals $18. So the result 6 guavas is $18. And then the ask is how much are those 2 guavas going to cost at full price? $3 per guava at full price. Conclude is the full price of 6 guavas is $18, or that $3 per guava or $6 for 2. Example 2. An advertisement for toothpaste claims that 4 out of 5 dentists recommend a certain brand. A consult Group 1 to check the accuracy of this claim and survey 180 dentists. How many dentists would they expect to not recommend this brand if the advertisement claim is accurate? Answer. We know ratio of dentists who recommend and thus who do not recommend for ratio 1. Among them these 180, let X the number of group, number of those who recommend for X, number of those who don't recommend X. Formula: number of those who recommend plus number of those who do not recommend equals amount that is. 4x plus x equals 180. 5x equals 180. X equals 180 per 5. X equals 36. The dentist who recommend the brand equals 4x equals 4 times 36 equals 144. The dentist who does not recommend the brand X equals 36. So there are 36 dentists do not recommend this brand. Example 4. Jason is Grace's older cousin. The ratio of their age is 9 ratio 5. In 5 years, Grace's age will be 4 more than half of Jason's age. How old are the boys now? Solution 1, we can use a table as follows. We'll let the answer. When we know the ratio indicates that the current age of the boys are multiplies of 5 and 9. Now Grace 5, Jason 9. In 5 years, Grace 10, Jason 14. Half Jason's age in 5 years is 7. Grace's age in 5 years minus half Jason's age, 10 minus 7 equals 3. Grace 10, Jason 18. Grace in 5 years, Grace 15, Jason 23. Half Jason's age in 5 years is 11 and half. Grace's age in 5 years minus half Jason's age is 15 minus 11 and half equals 3 and half. 3 half. Grace 15, Jason 27. In 5 years, Grace 20, Jason 32. Half Jason's age in 5 years is 16. Grace's age in 5 years minus half Jason's age, 20 minus 16 equals 4. Alternative solution 1, we can use algebra. Let x the multiply. Grace current age 5x, Jason current age 9x. The model is Grace age plus 5 equals half Jason age plus 5 plus 4. Substitute Grace age and Jason age give 5x plus 5 equals half 9x plus 5 plus 4. 5x plus 5, 9 half x and 5 half plus 4. 5x equals 9 half x plus 13 half minus 10 half. 5x equals 9 half x plus 3 half. 10x equals 9x plus 3. X equals 3. Substitute x to Grace age and Jason age. Grace age is 5x equals 15. Jason age is 9x equals 27. Check the answer in 5 years. Their x would be 20 and 32. Specifically, we know that Grace age half Jason age plus 4. Grace age half times 32 plus 4. Grace age 16 plus 4. Grace age is 20. Example 6. Carol Candy Stand sells a popular mixture of 2 of her candies, which sell for $2.70 per pound and $1.95 per pound. The ratio of the expensive candy to the cheapest candy in the mixture is 3:5. If Carol sold her entire supply of the mixed candy during the month, she would have revenue of $928.20, which would be the same as if she sold each candy separately. How many pounds of candy does she have in supply, and at what price does she sell it for? Number of pounds of expensive candy is 3x. Number of pounds of cheaper candy is 5x. Total number of pounds sold is 8x. The ratio is 3:5. The model gives us the equation is number of pounds the expensive candy times $2.20 $2.70 plus number of pounds of strawberry candy times $1.95 equals $928.20. 3x times 2.70 plus 5x times 1.95 equals 928.20. 17.85x equals 928.20. X equals 552. Therefore, 8 times 52 equals 416 pound of the mixture is in supply and sales are $928.20 per 416 equals $2.23 per pound. Example 7. Among the ingredients in a recipe for a sweet dessert are 2.5 cups of regular sugar and a quarter cup of brown sugar. The direction indicate that this will serve 8 people. If 3 will be 12 people to serve, how much of each type of sugar will be needed? Solution. Regular sugar is 2.5 cups per 8 people. Brown sugar quarter cup per 8 people. Let X the amount of the regular sugar for 12 people. Let Y the amount of the brown sugar for 12 people. Assign a variable as processed algebraically. The regular sugar is 2.5 per 8 equals 8 per 12. 8x equals 12 times 2.5 equals 12 times 5 half. 8x equals 30. X equals 30 per 8 equals 15 per 4. 15 quarter equals 3 and 3/4 cups of regular sugar. The brown sugar, a quarter per 8 equals y per 12. 8y equals 12 and quarter equals 12 quarter. 8y equals 3. Y equals 3 per 8 cup of brown sugar. Conclusion, if there will be 12 people to serve, 3 and 3/4 cups of regular sugar and 3 per 8 cup of brown sugar will be needed. Check the problem to see if the ratio of the original amounts to the new amounts is the same as 12 divided by 8 or 3 per half. The regular sugar, 3 and 3/4 divided by 2.5 equals 15 quarter divided by 5 half equals 15 quarter times 2 per 5. 30 per 20 equals 3 half is proven. The brown sugar, 3 per 8 divided by quarter equals 3 per 8 times 4 per 1. 12 per 8 equals 3 half is proven. So, thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.